you think of all this white stuff, Nixie? Really thinks she can go off without me. Hey now, slow down. I'm gonna fall. It's too slippery for me. Are you interested in it at all? Huh? At least you were zooming last night. Well, you are trying to run. Goofy. Are you having any fun at all, Pop-Up? I know we're just walking, but you can have fun on walks. Come on. Come on. Good girl. You're doing so good with that. I don't even have to pull you, nothing, to get your attention. What did you do to the trees, baby? Huh? What did it do to them? You're going to be soaked when we get home. Oh, you see it falling off of the branches, baby girl? You're seeing it fall off of the tree and chasing it. Hey, next. Come here, baby. Look. 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 She said, what? Where'd it come from? I know. It has to happen on its own. I can't make it happen. Although I would love to. You're just trotting along. I'm glad you're so happy about it, girlie. I'm glad you're so happy. I'm happy too. I got a day out of work. An extra day, which is the best. Come on. Come on. I don't know what that was. Come on, girl. Come on, baby. Come. Come on. Let's go. That was weird. Come on, baby. What just happened? It's been fun.